Now we're going to do, for your lower back, a variation of a lower back stretch, like the knee to chest.
Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Did you know that around 80% of people experience lower back pain at some point in their lives? It's one of the most common issues out there, but these two simple exercises can help you find relief. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
All right, we're going to do some pelvic tilts. So what you're going to do is tilt the pelvis up and then back, up and back. It's a little small move, but a lot of times it does help to alleviate back pain, irritation, if you've irritated something in your lower back. Just a pelvic tilt, not that big. It's not a big move. Don't move your whole body, just the pelvis. You're moving your head. It does make you want to move your whole body in concert with it, I know, but you don't need to. "10, 15 times or more. You know, rehab, they like to do 30 repetitions or more. Depends on, if it seems relieving to whatever is, plaguing your lower back, then do it as many times as you want. And you can do it in sets of 15, sets of 20, sets of 30. That's good. Now we're going to do, for your lower back, a variation of a lower back stretch, like the knee to chest. And a lot of people will do this and they'll hold it for X number of seconds, minutes. Pull your left knee up. While you pull that up, hold it, straighten that other leg out. Yeah. Keep the other leg as straight as possible. Hold that. And you might have a timer. You might count the number of breaths you take. You're trying to relax, not switch legs. And what you do on one side, you do on the other. So that would be holding it. Now let them go. Now you're going to do it kind of like repetitions, but don't do it fast. Try to do it slow, methodically. You're just trying to get the lower back and pelvis moving. That was fast. Yeah, slow down, slow and methodical. Yeah. And you might do that for 20, 30, however many reps, or you can do sets of 20, 30 reps, just to try to get some relief. That's good right there.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these exercises helpful in alleviating your lower back pain. If you've struggled with back pain in the past, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more health and wellness tips and tricks to help you live your best life.